Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel Enable Website Design. In this video I will show you to add icons in WordPress menu in website header. So let me go to website dashboard and then we need to install a plugin. Here you can search for menu icons and you will get multiple plugins, so you can easily check one by one. So I want to install this plugin, then activate the plugin. Now let's go back, appearance, then menu page, scroll down, and if you want to add icon on any menu item, then you can go here and select the icon. So you can also search for example, let me search home, this one, and then click on save menu. So now let me reload this page, and here you can see icon is added.